still my channel is not monetized. Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I'm gonna do my first Q&A and I'm going to answer all the questions very honestly. So first question is from Mayank Kumar from LinkedIn. He wants to know that he says, I would like to know about the beginning of your journey, like how you got the idea of traveling and how you plan to execute in the beginning. So, since childhood, I was very interested in long drive, and my father, he was in army, so we used to, travel from one place to another place. That's how I got interested in traveling, and then Uh, idea of traveling, yeah. From there, I got the idea of traveling and how you planned. I did not plan anything like how I'm gonna do. I wanted to hitchhike, and then whenever I'm like traveling to any state, first I try to download the map of that state, and then I decide my start point and end point, and then I try to travel district wise, so I can cover whole state. So that's how I execute my plans, and then I do hitchhiking, I stay with locals. Now the second question is from Nisha Kumar from Instagram. And hi Nisha, how are you doing? She's my classmate and she wants to know what is your inspiration to do what you do. Actually, no one is my inspiration. I am my own inspiration, and I do believe in myself very much. That's why today I'm living my dream. After so much of struggle and hard work, finally I'm on the road. I'm living my dream. I'm doing what I wanted to do from so long. And yeah, my journey is my inspiration. So now the next question is from Shah Farhad Ahmed from LinkedIn, and he wants to know, his question is that you are moving different places alone, so how could you manage your budget? So yeah, I am a solo female traveler, and budget, I do hitchhiking, I stay with locals, and only the main thing is like while backpacking, you need a place to stay and you need for this eating. So I don't know, I don't eat that much. 20 rupees of samosas, two samosas fills my stomach, and I stay with locals. I also do hitchhike, and while hitchhiking, like if you meet amazing people, they also offer you to eat. And then I also carry my camping tent, so in case if I don't get to stay with a local, so I can stay in my tent. So that's how I manage my budget. And I'm a very, from past 1.5 years I am traveling with little bit of money. I'm not like I'm a traveler, I'm a backpacker who is traveling without money, you can say. Even 500 is more for me because mostly I'm hitchhiking, I'm staying with locals, so that's how I manage my budget. Now next question, and this question is similar to previous question. This question is from Rohit Ashok Sonawane from LinkedIn, and he is asking, how do you manage finance for your trip? So how do I manage my finance? Earlier I used to do blogging, and then I used to do little bit of digital marketing. And what I am doing, courage is required for that. Money is not a big problem. Once you hit the road, your ways will get open automatically. So you need courage to do what I am doing or for anything. And then finance to a little bit. Even sometimes when I need emergency money, I ask from my friends because still my channel is not monetized. But it's okay. I am getting to see the real people and I'm experiencing the life without money. So I hope I answered your question. I know I did not answer in a correct way, but still I tried. How do you manage finance for your trip? I have no finance. Still I tried to answer. And now the next question is from Harsh Sharma from LinkedIn. He wants to know coldest place you have visited. So Harsh, Jammu and Kashmir is very very cold. Even during summertime you will feel very cold over there. So yeah, Kashmir. And now next question is from my friend. She's my college mate. Hi Cheryl, how are you doing? I'm going to answer your question now. So Cheryl Gonzalez from Instagram. She's asking how you manage your toilet jobs and how you manage on period days. Most important question for solo female travelers. How you manage your toilet job. So I stay with locals. So I get to use their toilet and all. So that is not the problem. And like when I'm hitchhiking, I'm on the road. I use toilet like which are on the like petrol pumps and all. And then on the way also, like you can go in any hotel, motel or restaurant, you can request or you can go and do your toilet, everything there. And when I'm camping, so I request local family to use their toilet and all. And now second part. And how you manage on period days? Yeah, that's a very difficult and tough days for me when I'm on my period. But mostly I'm staying with my host, like with a local family, or I'm traveling, so I have got used to it. And then you can find toilets on petrol pump, and also there you can change your sanitary pads and all. So yeah, but those days are very very difficult for me when I'm on period. It's like I get cramps and all. It's okay, now I have got used to it. So I hope I answered your doubts and questions also. So guys, now the last and final question is from Avinash Kumar Singh from LinkedIn, and he is asking, are you doing any kind of job to manage your trip like freelancing or something else? And are you a full-time traveler? So Avinash, yes, I'm a full-time backpacker traveler. And now I'm gonna answer your answer of first question. Are you doing any kind of job to manage your trip like freelancing? No, I don't do any kind of job. I'm a full-time backpacker. But earlier I used to do a little bit of digital marketing, and then I run my own travel vlog, if you know about that, because I used to post my blog posts on LinkedIn, and the name of my travel vlog is travelholic.com. So before starting my journey, I used to share my articles over there, if you remember that. Yeah. So guys, I hope I have answered all your questions. And these, whatever I answered, it was from my heart. Everything was real. And I hope you all got your answers. So with that, I'm gonna end my today's this question answer vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.